Hey guys, this is Civil Learning Online and I hope you all are doing well. And guys, today in this video I will be continuing the method of finding the solution of the initial value problem. In the previous video we have studied Euler's method, modified Euler's method, and now it's time to study the Runge method. So guys, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe this channel, and before beginning do like the video, and without any further delay let's get started. So guys, while continuing the solution of this method, let me take you through the formula which are being used in this method. So the formulas are: we have, if we are calculating the value of y1, then y1 equals to y naught plus k upon 6, where k equals to k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So let us now go through the question, and let me write down the question and let us find the solution of that question. So guys, the question is: apply Runge method to solve the initial value problem dy by dx equals to x plus y, y0 equals to 1, and find the value of y at x equals to 0.2 taking h equals to 0.1. So let us write down the solution here, and we are given dy upon dx equals to x plus y, and guys, we have y0 equals to 1. It implies x naught equals to 0 and y naught equals to 1, and also we have h equals to 0.1, and we will find the value of k1, k2, k3, k4 one by one. So let us find the value of k1, and we have k1 equals to h f x naught comma y naught, and the value of h is 0.1 f x naught comma y naught means 0 comma 1. Now put the value of x equals to 0 and y equals to 1 in the given equation dy by dx equals to x plus y. So from here we will get 0.1 times 0 plus 1 means 1. So we have value of k1 equals to 0.1. Now let us find the value of k2, and we have k2 equals to h f x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2. Aren't they the simple formulas? Just simply put down the value here: 0.1 f x naught plus h by 2 means 0 plus 0.1 by 2 comma y naught means 1. We have value of y naught equals to 1 plus k1 by 2 means 0.1 by 2, and solve this and get the value of k2, which will be 0.11. Now time to calculate the value of k3. So we will have here k3 equals to h f x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k2 by 2. Put the value here: 0.1 f x naught means 0 plus 0.1 by 2 comma y naught means 1 plus 0.11 by 2. And what we need to do is, let us see here guys, so that if you don't know then it is going to help you. 0.1 f 0.1 by 2 means 0.05 comma 1 plus 0.11 by 2. So solve this using calculator. 1 plus 0.11 by 2. From here we will get 1.055. Now put the value of x equals to 0.05 and y equals to 1.055 in this equation. So we will have here x means 0.05 plus 1.055 and multiply this with 0.1. Sorry, multiplied by 0.1. So from here we will get value of k3 equals to 0.1105. Now time to calculate the value of k4. So k4 is equal to hf x naught plus h comma y naught plus k3. Then it is going to be 0.1 f 0.05 comma 1.055. So I have already calculated it. So on solving this we will get k4 equals to 0.12105. Now use the equation which I have shown in the beginning of the video, that y1 equals to y naught plus k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4 divided by 6. Now put the value. We have y naught equals to 1 plus 1 by 6 times k1 means 0.1 plus 2 times k2 0.11 plus 2 times 0.1105 plus 0.1210. And solving this we will get the value of y1 equals to 1.1103. Now we have got the value of y1. Time to calculate the value of y at x equals to 0.2, which we are asked in the question. And previously we take h equals to 0.1. So this time our x2 is going to be x naught plus h means 0.1 plus 0.1. So we will get value of x2 equals to 0.2, and for that value we will calculate the value of y. Let us see how it is done, and that will be our final step. So guys, as we have x naught equals to 0, so our x1 equals to x naught plus h equals to x naught means 0 plus h is 0.1, means we have got the value of x1 equals to 0.1. Similarly x2 will be equals to x1 plus h 0.1 plus 0.1 means 0.2, means as in the question we are asked to calculate the value of y at x equals to 0.2, and we have got x2 equals to 0.2, means the value of y which we get in this step, which will be our final answer. So let us again calculate the value of k1, k2, k3, k4. So we have x2 equals to 0.2, then we will have k1 equals to h f x1 comma y1. So put the value h means 0.1 f x1 comma y1, and we have the value of x1 equals to 0.1 comma value of y1. We have calculated it 1.1103. Now put the value of x equals to 0.1 and y equals to 1.1103 in the given equation. Dy by dx equals to x plus y. So from here we will get 0.1210, which is the value of k1. Now k2, so k2 equals to h f x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k1 by 2. Put the value 0.1 f 0.15 plus 1.1603. I have already solved it. This is already solved. Then on solving this, we will get this value. Now solve, put x equals to 0.15 and y equals to 1.1603 in the given equation. From here we will get 0.1310. Now calculate the value of k3, and the k3 equals to hf x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k2 by 2. So put the value of x1 h by 2, y1 k2 by 2. Then we will get here 0.1 f 0.15 comma 1.1758. Solve this, we will get 0.1326. Now calculate the value of k4, and the value of k4 is equal to hf x1 plus h comma y1 plus k3. So on solving this, 0.1 f 0.2 comma 1.2429. Solve this, we will get 0.1442. Now after getting the value of k1, k2, k3, k4, we need to find the value of y2. So y2 equals to y1 plus k, and we have k equals to y1 plus 1 by 6 times k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Now put the value y1, means we have y1 equals to 1.1103 plus 1 by 6 times k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4, means k1 means 0.1210 plus 2 times k2 means 0.1310 plus 2 times 1326 plus 0.1442. Now solve this, we will get y2 equals to 1.2423, which is going to be our answer. And I hope you enjoyed the today's lecture. See you in the next video.